Hello guys, this is Saad and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be telling you how to defrag your drive in the Windows 11. So let's begin. First of all you'll have to go your search and then type in defragment and optimize of drives, and then you'll have to click the first option over here. So now you can see your drives over here. I wouldn't recommend you to defrag your solid state drive or your SSD, but you can do it for your hard disk drive, which is mine, this one. And then you can click on optimize over here, and it may take a bit time for you depending on the speed of your laptop and the size of the SSD or the hard disk drive. So for me, my hard disk drive is almost empty, and as you can see, it took like really less time for me, but for you it can take a couple of minutes or maybe a few hours, but depending on the size and the storage in it. And as you can see, the solid state drive, it was already automatically yesterday it was defragmented, so you don't really need to do it. But if you still want, you can do it manually and just click on optimize over here. So this is how you can defrag your drives, and I hope this video would have helped you. For more similar videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, peace out.